Hey there, welcome back to Fitness Aide. In today's video, we're going to dive into 9 amazing oils that can help fight wrinkles and give you more youthful, radiant skin. As we age, our skin goes through a lot of changes and wrinkles can start to form. But don't worry, there are some powerful natural oils that can help combat those pesky lines. Number 1. Rosehip Seed Oil. First up, let's talk about Rosehip Seed Oil. This oil is packed with vitamin C and A, which are essential for collagen production and skin cell regeneration. Rosehip Seed Oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and even fade dark spots and discoloration. Number 2. Argan Oil. Next, we have Argan Oil. Often called liquid gold, argan oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, making it a fantastic moisturizer that can plump up the skin and minimize the look of wrinkles. Number 3. Marula Oil. Another great option is Marula Oil. This lightweight oil absorbs quickly into the skin and is loaded with antioxidants that protect against environmental stressors that can lead to premature aging. Number 4. Pomegranate Seed Oil. Pomegranate seed oil is also a wrinkle-fighting powerhouse. It contains punicic acid, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties to soothe the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Number 5. Avocado Oil. Don't forget about avocado oil. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamins A, D, and E, which work together to deeply hydrate the skin and improve elasticity. Number 6. Chia Seed Oil. Chia Seed Oil is another fantastic option. It's packed with omega-3s that help maintain the skin's natural barrier function and keep it looking plump and youthful. Number 7. Pumpkin Seed Oil. Pumpkin seed oil is a lesser-known gem, but it's full of zinc, vitamin E, and antioxidants that can firm up the skin and diminish the look of wrinkles. Number 8. Sea Buckthorn Oil. Next up, we have sea buckthorn oil. This orange-red oil is loaded with vitamin C and E, as well as carotenoids, to brighten the complexion and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Number 9. Bobab Oil. Last but not least, Bobab Oil is an excellent choice. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamin C, which can boost collagen production and improve skin elasticity. So there you have it, 9 amazing oils that can help you fight wrinkles and achieve more youthful, radiant skin. Be sure to incorporate some of these into your skincare routine and let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.